Here's my mate Pablo, all the way in from Spain. We brought the son with us for a little spin. We come round to these bits. And then into this one. And then into this one. Yeah, we're warming up now, Dad. We're warming up nicely. We're up in the peaks, Mum. The Peak District. Not where the Peaky Blinders come from, but where the IBR boys come at this time of year for a great ride out. So we got all the boys with us today. The huge Robin. Robin's an enduro expert and he's going to be showing us around today. We got Sam, the original crew, Alan, Ian and Big T. So it's going to be mega. The sun's coming out, it's about -1 and we're looking forward to a great day. So we do. Very slippery. And you can just see this beautiful, beautiful day. Just warming the bike up gently. Obviously very, very cold. And yeah, we'll get back to you with the action. That is pure ice. Golf boys out. We're not hooligans. We're just checking our brakes are working, okay? Everything seems good. There's a young lady coming on her single horsepower 2-stroke, I think it is. It might be a Husselberg, it could be what they call a caballo, which if any of you studied Spanish at school, you know caballo means good boy. He's a good boy. He's looking a little bit nervous with the bikes. Yeah, you just go careful underfoot, big caballo. It's very icy today. It's a beautiful horse. A very, very pretty pilot as well. They're not called pilots on horses, are they? They're called jockeys. Yeah, we call ourselves pilots because we do a bit of taking off. And we're going to have a lovely day. We've just got to be very, very careful because it's very, very slippery. And we've all got history on this run. See you in a bit. This is the one. Tricky little bit that. Robin smashed it. All done, all through, nice and clean. You're a flurry. The cyclist. Just like my Alan's a champ. Thousands and thousands of miles under his belt all over the country. Great style, well balanced. protects himself, protects his bike. This time of year these trails are fun. The ground's quite hard, it can be frozen, which makes the polished rock quite slippery, so gentle on the juice, not too aggressive on the beans, and just let the bike do the work. That's my motto. I've kind of changed my riding style a little bit. Used to always want to be racing with rough and going flat out, and I enjoy that, but I enjoy looking at the countryside as well. I think someone said to me once, you know, you race for it, you never enjoyed any of it. Well, I'm trying to enjoy a little bit of it. It's bloody beautiful today. Absolutely splendid day for trail bike riding out in the Peak District. The rain that obviously has washed all down these little trails. They've created these big gullies, which makes it interesting, makes the line choice a little bit more flavoursome, and we're just ticking over. Everyone's moving, baby! See that there? The rustler, because he'll rustle you to the ground. Grippier than you think, Dad. Yeah, it's not too bad now, the sun's out, the ground's drying up the street. Nice and warm with the road bike kit on. Nice bit of built-in body armour. Packing a little kidney belt today. Just holding my kidneys nice and secure. And on the new health kit, cut out the beer completely. And feeling so much better for it. And I got to admit, I have supplemented a few glasses of wine in the evening, but a massive reduction in the volume of beer has had a huge impact on the bloatedness and the shape of my pregnant stomach. So we're trying to get that under control so that we're not looking so portly. Maybe our fitness will improve, maybe we'll ride more like Billy Bolt, and just that would be a dream come true, wouldn't it? So let's see if we've got this camera fixed. Big rough, there we go. So this is gnarly down through here. The last time we went there was a massive great big tree across the track, and we couldn't get through. But today is looking proper gradely. There is a little gate. And, we're able to get through. Well done, Cindy. Get all this flora and fauna out of my helmet. See how it's like glass. Got to be looking for lanes, looking for lines. rubbing through. One more bite. Living on that line. Yeah, we're warming up now. Rocky. Alright.
Yeah, just winded. Hit my ribs. Get your breath back. Film it. Stop filming, Tom.